I find Gen Z so nice because they are trying to do something now which I had tried when I had started with my career. I had tried to keep the normal thing, working from 9:30 to 6:30 and then going home. And at that point in time, let me tell you, I was being seen as somebody who is running from work. I used to leave at a normal time, that was 6:30 p.m. But then there were some people who used to, say to me that they see she's running. And still there are such type of people, guys. There are still such type of people who exist who feel that hustle culture is the next thing, okay? And they feel that working for 14 to 16 hours is a new normal, or that it has to be a normal. And whoever is not doing it right, whoever people who are not doing that much, they feel that they are not up to the mark. They feel that they are great people. They are working for 14, 16 hours. They are great people. They are very, whatever. They are superhumans. Let me tell you, I don't want to be a superhuman. No, let me be human only. I'm happy working for 8, 9 hours. That's it. I don't understand why people have to do something that is abnormal, make it look like normal, and then people who are doing everything right are being felt or are being portrayed as you're not doing enough. Doesn't make any sense, right? And sometimes, see, guys, people have priorities. Different people have different priorities. For somebody having a work, having a life, the balance is a priority. For somebody, their health is also a priority. And when health is being discussed, it is all the mental, the physical, emotional, everything is a priority. But for some people, it is just work that is priority. Their priorities, they want to make more money or whatever, maybe reach to next level very soon. So do it right. Let people choose what is important for them and let people go ahead on that particular line. Why do you want to make anybody feel that because you are not doing something that they are doing, that means this person is weaker, or this person is not capable, or this person is not being, in line with the new things, or not doing what is required? If you feel you are doing what is required, go ahead, do. It's normal for you working for 14, 16 hours. Go ahead, do. Who is stopping, right? But let's not normalize it and make other people feel that you are not doing enough. This is my only thing. It has been a thing with me since I started my career, and I find it very surprising even now if these thoughts are being still alive in people's minds, whereas Gen Zs are trying so hard to get the things back to normal.